Hi everybody, this is Prof. John and welcome to week 1 of University 301. So let's start this. Last Friday you may receive an email, or if you check your D2L you have found this announcement. So first of all, if you haven't read it carefully and complete the mini assignments that are listed, of course. It's important to have a pre-survey to get to know you a little bit better. Also, understanding what is expected in Start Here is important because there is the syllabus as well as the calendar and the policies of our class. That's super important. Let's meet and greet. I know that we're going to have a discussion forum. It's going to be written most of the time. So this is the opportunity to get to know each other in video, to know your voice, and to make it more interactive. I hope so. And next, make sure to join our collaborative reading group. This one is super important in terms of, okay, reading a lot of things, a lot of chapters per week is going to be a little bit boring if you don't like to read alone. Actually, depending on how do you like to read. But here the key is that you can annotate. You can put some thoughts, comments on the readings you have. So make sure to follow the instructions and install the app. Okay, register you in the website, add the app to your Google browser, and make sure to pin the app and start the reading group. Just join our reading group, and whenever you are within the weekly readings, activate the app, and that's all. And finally, check the Start Here video. Now, this is the week 1, so I highly recommend you to check all the time official University of Arizona time, because that time is going to be due the assignments. And also, make sure to check the calendar. The calendar is telling you upcoming events, so make sure to follow them carefully. Just because the sooner you start, the better it's going to be. And also, we have organized these discussions in such a way that it's going to be scaffold, meaning that little by little you're going to be prepared to provide your discussion forum responses as well as your weekly reflections. So let's go to content. And in content, you have week 1. As you notice, Start Here is check all, because it means that I have checked all the content or readings as well. And week 1, I have just 4 items that I'm missing because I cannot submit the assignments. But something that you should do at the beginning is to check to do for week 1. What is expected from you? What are the readings you have to do, the step-by-step? Then, important, read weekly reading reflection assignment instructions and read discussion post instructions. Why this is important and why we make emphasis on this? You have a series of instructions how to work with these assignments, like weekly reflection and discussion forum, guidelines, dates, and deadlines. You have the deadlines there, and we propose you to follow a pattern. Just because, trust me, you have to post, then wait for somebody else to comment on you, and you have to comment on somebody else, and then you have to respond to that question. So this is important. Why? Just posting the discussion forum doesn't give you the full grade. No. Just because you have a step-by-step rubric. Make sure to check the rubric and follow it accordingly. And if you have any question in now, just let me know. Similar with the weekly reading. Make sure that you are referring to the weekly readings within your response. That's important because it's part of the assignment. As you can notice here, you have to start with the syllabus quiz, then check the video, the play post-it video, the University 301, e-portfolio overview, to get a huge idea, a big picture of the course. Log in on your digitation, take your University 101 e-portfolio and update it. Follow the instructions, please. Reading reflection, of course. Remember, full, complete responses, contextualize why and how are important, and include the reading. And finally, discussion post. Make sure to check the guidelines as well as the grading rubric. And other than that, that's all. Make sure to check this afternoon or today, depending on the moment you see this video, your email or your detailed announcements, because I will post something there for the week. It's going to be on a weekly basis. So thank you so much for your time. Bye-bye. Happy start of University 301.